Hello Lobo Nation, welcome back once again to the principal's office for another quick update video. The first thing that we need to get to is the parent meeting today. Remember, this is just an additional parent meeting, so if you went to the meeting on Friday, then you don't really need to come to the meeting today unless you just have additional questions that you want to answer. The big difference about today's meeting is it is at 6 p.m. and we will have an English only version and a Spanish only version. So if Spanish speaking parents want to come to the Spanish version, it's delineated in the email, so just make sure you click on the right link, either the one that says English only or Spanish only. That email went out at 11, so you should already have it. If for some reason it's not in your inbox, I really ask you check your junk folder. We've had a lot of these that are going to the junk folder, and then once you find it, go ahead and adjust those settings so that it ends up going into your inbox from now on. The only other thing is there's some updates to the website, so let's look at those now. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to the LXJ website. That's lxj.lpisd.org. And when you scroll down, you're going to notice some new resources added. The first is the virtual learning model. This is the document that I emailed out to you guys, but just in case you are missing it, it's here on the web page. And that's going to show you the actual model that'll show you which classes will be synchronous, which will be asynchronous each day for each grade level. As you scroll a little bit further down, you're going to get the bell schedule. Remember that this abbreviated Friday bell schedule is only while we're 100% virtual. Once we get students back in the building Friday, we'll just revert to this schedule and we'll run this schedule Monday through Friday. So the next important document there is a schedule breakdown. So this is just a sample breakdown that you can do with your student. I showed you how I broke down one of the schedules in a video a couple of videos back. So this is just that example. So I have the actual sample schedule. We go down, and then we have the students' classes broken down by day and period, which classes they will have to log into based on which are synchronous. So on Monday and Wednesday, synchronous classes are Texas history, social studies, band, math, Lobo period. So this is the exact time that that student on those days would have to log into that class. If they're blank, that means that it's an asynchronous class for those days, so there will just be an assignment to complete. So again, just a visual cue that your kid can look at and know exactly on each day which time they have to log in. So what I did is added another sample schedule, and this is broken down by week. It's going to be the exact same schedule from the first one. It's just broken down a different way and just another way to look at it. So when you come down here, instead of it being broken down by Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday, it's broken down by day. This one only shows the first 3 days of school, simply because I wanted it to all fit on one page. But just know you could have a Monday, Tuesday tab. And remember, the Monday and Tuesday are going to 100% mirror whatever the Wednesday, Thursday say. And so what you're going to see in here is the student will be able to go. First period's 8:30 to 9:20. It's asynchronous, so I know that I don't have to log in. Second period is asynchronous, so I don't have to log in. But there's still an assignment that I need to complete in each class. And then third period is synchronous, so I need to go to Teams and actually meet with the teacher to receive that direct instruction. And it goes down all the way through Lobo period and tells them exactly what they have to do based on that period, based on the learning model. And if you'll notice, this is the exact same schedule from the first option. And then if you look here, you notice that they're asynchronous first period, asynchronous second period, and then third period they have synchronous social studies. And then when you look at this one, first period asynchronous, second period asynchronous, third period synchronous. So it is the exact same schedule. It's just broken out in a different way, just depending on how you think might be more useful for your student. Again, you basically only have to make this one time because it's going to be the exact same every week. And I have the week up here, and so you could just change the week. But again, the actual schedule itself is going to be the exact same every week. So once you do it one time, then you'll be done. But it's just another way for you to look at it that might make a little more sense for you and for your student to kind of work through whether or not you're going to be synchronous that day and the time, just whichever one works better for you and your student. Okay, just to finish up, reminder, the meeting that we had on Friday at 2 p.m., that recording is now up on the website as well. There's a link right there that you can click on. It should take you straight in, but if it asks for a password, that password is also located on the homepage as well. Remember that it doesn't start exactly when it starts. It starts kind of right before the meeting was supposed to start at 6. There's a little bit that you might want to fast forward through to get to where the meeting actually starts, but I don't have the ability to edit that video. So you're just going to kind of go to a certain point where we actually start the meeting, and you'll be able to follow along there. Remember that if you're joining us for the meeting today, because you missed the meeting on Friday and you don't just want to watch it, you want to actually participate and ask questions and things. Make sure that when you come in that you mute your microphone and ask any questions in the chat bar on the side. Whenever everybody's talking, it's just crazy and you can't understand anything. So we're going to ask you to please mute yourself and ask your questions in the chat bar, and that way we'll be able to get to everyone's questions. That is it for today. Everyone have an amazing day. Thank you.